Yo, welcome to this video, guys. This is Adplexity Adult. I have to blur the screen. If you're watching this, I edited it to blur it. And basically, this is one of the biggest freaking opportunities in the world is adult marketing. You guys can absolutely crush it. There is so much opportunity. It's crazy, okay? So in this spy tool, I actually give access to this spy tool to you guys, literally for a major discount. I give you my login info, everything like that. So you can copy, paste ads, make money. So if you go to the longest running here, you can sort by it. Basically that's what I have selected, and literally you can see all the top campaigns. You just click on it, you go see what they're targeting, you go see the device type, you go see what platforms they're using to advertise on, and you get to see the banner they're using. That's the winning banner. And you get to see their landing page, what they're doing at their landing page, and it's insane. Literally, this is the fastest way to make money in the world, basically, because of the fact you can copy success and paste success. Okay, this is how it works, man. There's so much freaking opportunity here, it's not even fair. And the ability to spy on campaigns, you might even find some of my campaigns, by the way. Uh, Hopefully not. I'm just kidding. You can copy me if you're lucky to find me, right? So the thing is, if you copy paste success, you'll always be successful because modeling success gets success. Tony Robbins has always said this. And when you have a spy tool like this to crush it with, you can demolish, man. You can demolish. Okay. Don't look at the banners too long. Okay. Just literally look at the different stuff they're promoting. Go find the offers elsewhere. You can go to Offer Vault and you can type in the exact offer and see what CPA network has that offer. You can start promoting that offer. Okay. You can instantly download the banners super quick here. You can go advertise on the same placement, same everything, and crush it. They've done all the optimizing for you guys. Okay, they've done everything for you. You can crush it. Okay, just by copying them. Now you can see what also received the most traffic. Okay, so I just selected who received the most traffic. You can see all the campaigns that are literally receiving the most. And this is where you can find a lot of winners too. A lot of winners. Okay. I found a lot of winners looking at that too. And then you can see the newest campaigns, what is launched most recently, and get ideas for the whole entire adult world, what's happening live. Like what are people doing? What are they launching? What are they testing live? Really powerful. Really freaking powerful. Okay, guys. So you can make easily money just super fast, just literally flipping cash just by copying success, and you can innovate and optimize from there, guys. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Check out links in the description, and if you guys want to get the spy tool, go get the spy tool, man. And at a super discount. It's like not even fair, man. You're lucky I'm giving this to anyone out there. I mean, it's just an idea. I'm like, I might as well give access to people because some people can't afford it and some people would like a discount. Who wouldn't? Okay, so you can get a discount on that. Go enjoy that, and go make some flipping money, man. This is really big opportunity. This has made me a lot of money. Thank you so much for watching, and peace out.